Hello everyone, I'm Daniel from Hellbeam Design. In 2 minutes I will show you how to make your own food-safe cutting board conditioner with 2 ingredients, cold-pressed linseed oil and beeswax. First, you pour in the beeswax. I buy these in flakes instead of slices. These smell very good. Then we pour in the linseed oil. This must be cold pressed to be food safe. I put a link in my description from Amazon if you want to buy one yourself. Then we put everything on the stove. The purpose of there being water in the pan below is that there should be a slow heating of these ingredients. Then I stir the beeswax and oil until it has mixed completely. I stir with something made of metal, as these are easier to clean later. Then we take the bowl with the mixture and immediately start pouring it into our containers. These containers are made of aluminum and they are very cheap. Links to all the products are in the description of this video. Click them and buy them if you want to make this yourself. I fill these to the brim, as the wax will shrink a little bit during cooling. Cooling down takes about 30 minutes, but may vary depending on the room temperature. The easiest way is to check if the wax is hard with your finger. These are perfect gifts for your friends, or you might as well choose to sell them. 1 minute left. Now I will show you how easy it is to restore this old worn cutting board with both deep cut marks and burn marks. Winter is coming. First I lay out a good surface to put the cutting board on, then I sand it with a sander so all the marks disappear. Then we give the cutting board new life with our natural homemade cutting board conditioner. I use my hands, but you can also use a paper towel. The linseed oil penetrates deep into the wooden fibers, and the wax creates a protective layer. After we have applied the wax, we wipe off the excess with a paper towel. And now we're done. The cutting board has been given new life and has a really fresh, glossy surface. If you want to do this yourself, I have linked to all the products in the description of this video. These are affiliate links, so if you buy, you will support my channel. Subscribe to my channel if you've learned something in this video. I will really appreciate it. I also answer all my comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.